Ilya, I also have Jones, I have Makachev at 1. But how about Alexander Volkanovski? When Max Holloway did what he did to Justin Gaethje, everybody applauded and thought it was the greatest performance. This guy was dominating Max Holloway very recently, like beating him in a win. Look what he did to the Korean Zombie and Brian Ortega and all these guys. Alexander Volkanovski is one of the most dominant guys. Can't just say he's not because he lost to Islam up a weight and he lost to Ilya Topuria. It doesn't work like that.
But UFC today.
Today. That's why. Shawkat Rachmonov. Bro.
Good one.
Unbelievable. The way he beats people up and dominates them. What are we doing here? It's like, do you guys not try? Do you not study? Are you just not, you throwing it in?
For the belt? Yeah,
competition level, competition level matters.
He's dominating everybody that he fights. And I got Islam at number 1.
He couldn't take that
because
Wonderboy.
For all the points we made earlier where I said lately he's been finishing guys in championship opportunities.
I'm surprised there's no Hamzat on anyone's list.
That's crazy. I thought about it when I was looking at it.
He has a big fight coming up in Saudi Arabia. Okay, let's move on.